I'm Bob. My best friend's Tennille. That's a TV. What do you think that is? That's a cat. It's a cat's tail. I like men.
I want to buy a gun. Oh! I want to buy a gun.
Tennille sucks. I just wrecked
Dak.
him. You guys want to see me plug something in? Watch and learn. 1.
It's not there.
Now you're.
Sorry kids, doors at a time. You have to start with all blue shoes. I'm wearing no socks today, but...
Okay, here we go. There's 2.
Fudgebacker!
He got wrecked. Remember to subscribe. Lunch Comedy owns. You can't tell that I have a smiley face on, but I don't. You suck. Subscribe. Lunch Comedy for the win.
You click the top button.
I did click the top button.
No, did it say process?
Yeah, it's processing. It is.
Dude, it only takes one. Dude, I can't even move my arm.
Why would you do your arm?
Scraped it across the metal thing.
What about thing?
You know what? I'm gonna sue you. I swear to God. It's like bleeding. I feel like a friggin' emo. Like sunflower seed.
You suck.